Pro features a matte finish body with curved edges and has a 5.84-inch FHD Plus screen for a good viewing experience. This phone comes in 4 color options: black, gold, red and blue. The phone comes in 2 RAM and storage variants. The 3GB RAM variant has a 32GB internal memory, while the 4GB RAM variant has a 64GB internal memory. The internal memory on both the variants can be expanded up to 256GB using a microSD card in the dedicated slot. The Redmi 6 Pro has dual SIM slots, of which one slot can support 4G Volt capability at one time. It has a large 5.84-inch Full HD screen that produces sharp visuals for a great viewing experience. Unlock the phone instantly using 4 unlock options: fingerprint sensor, face unlock, smart unlock, or through a Mi Band. The phone features a 12MP plus 5MP AI dual rear camera with electronic image stabilization, AI portrait mode, and Sony and Samsung sensors for capturing visually rich and detailed images. A 5MP front camera with AI Beautify and AI portrait mode lets you take stunning selfies in bokeh shots. The Redmi 6 Pro runs on Android Oreo and has Snapdragon Octa-core processor for high performance. You can also use the split screen functionality to use 2 apps at once. Using dual apps, you can run 2 separate versions of the same app, including WhatsApp. This phone is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, warranty card, SIM ejector pin, user guide, and a back cover. The Redmi 6 Pro